the top 10. Get your cars to the grid now. We are about to roll off.
Day 2. The car's running.
You heard him. You're about to lose your chance.
Hey Pat,
Playboy.
how you feeling about today?
Angry hamsters.
Just dropped the strawberry in the engine.
It'll help. It'll help.
Did you just eat it?
Yeah, I did just eat it.
But it just came off the engine.
Me and the engine are one.
Torque wrench.
What?
Check the nuts to make sure we actually did it. Where are they?
Probably in the tent.
Did you take them off?
I don't think we did.
Check them anyway.
What size?
21.
There you go. We don't want to make this mistake.
We're just making sure the tires don't fall off.
If I had time, I was going to make signs that had all the checklists.
The camera set up?
Yeah.
I love the bear.
Yep. What? Oh, there's in the car. We'll put it in there.
That's Steven's encouragement dance.
Getting the shadow on my side.
Alright, be awesome about that. Alright, we're out.
All right, you guys. Go.
So it is 8:50 in the morning and the car is still running.
It's finally running.
It's finally running?
It's still running as of the...
And how was yesterday for you?
That was long.
But today will be a good day, right?
Today we're actually going to drive, so it'll be a better day.
It'll be a great day. There it goes.